Hello, guys. Welcome to Insomniac, the number two podcast in the world.
Let's go impulsive number one.
We are Mavericks, boy.
You guys have to make it cringe in the first 20 seconds of the first episode, isn't it?
Low
Right?
gang for life, guys. Low gang for life.
Okay.
Yes, let's go.
Okay, calm down. So, as you must have realized by now, all three of us are night owls and we like talking about stuff. Ratko, the idea was initiated by me, and I thought about doing a podcast back at grade 10. But thanks to the studies, it became quite difficult and I didn't do it. But now that we have vacations and we do every Raat ko call, I have realized that Arjun and Rishabh are quite wise and
और कोई मिला नहीं यार
they,
इसलिए आया हूँ.
yeah, they bring a lot to the table.
Lord,
ऐसा तो
Yeah,
बड़ा
yeah,
नहीं
so
कर
yeah.
सकता.
much.
Yeah,
Yes, yeah.
yeah.
Also, yeah, we'll be talking about current affairs and we'll interview our friends and hopefully people with a bigger influence than us might actually share their experience, which might help you guys who are listening to this right now.
Yeah, Rishabh, Arjun sounds quite
क्या
nervous,
speech
isn't
दिया
it?
यार ना speech एकदम OP.
I know, right?
Yeah.
When was the last time we did something like this? Huh? I think क्या था? Comedians. था ना?
Comedians in 2018.
Oh, that was actually crazy.
Yeah, people liked it, to be very honest.
भाई पहले वीडियो को
Yeah,
मिला है
yeah.
कितना 1000 व्यूज है कुछ मिला है ना.
1K views right now.
Yeah.
Actually insane. हम कितना डाले हैं?
We uploaded 3 videos.
Second.
Well,
Yeah, 3 videos. Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah,
through the time frame of 6 to 8 months, I guess. Shooting was difficult, I'll say, but everyone well coordinated that time pe. And
कितने
of
सारे
course,
लोग थे भाई. कितने
yeah,
सारे लोग.
I think there were 15 to 20 people, sabko mila ke. And fun
No,
fact,
I think 10 to 15. I think it was 10 to 15.
all right, and all three of us were a part of Comedians. Actually, are a part of Comedians. It's not dead yet. But yeah, I
It's
would
a
get to
live
know
We aren't
why.
One
video coming
Direction,
soon.
okay?
Yeah.
We are not One Direction.
Yeah,
We're not
okay.
Coming soon, bro,
Arjun,
coming
people
soon.
who might be watching this might like One Direction, so please, okay?
अरे यार One Direction
Fine,
आने वाली है
fine.
यार क्या?
I apologize for that to all the One Direction fans out there.
Yeah, okay. So he's already started with an apology. Guys, we aren't any professionals, so don't take
I've
any
been a
of our
severe
talks
and
quite
continuous
seriously.
listen after my
Yeah.
judgment यार. तो क्या था?
Any which is. Yeah, so the first video I remember, that's the most cringy thing I've done in this school, and I'm
First video was actually अच्छा था, but
quite sure that videoed, but it was the Christmas video. Yeah,
Yeah.
it was the
So
Christmas
we all
video.
remember that one.
We all remember that one because
I was actually
that's the
not there. That was the only video.
Yeah, it had some memorable scenes.
yeah, it definitely had some memorable scenes, and our voices were so different back then too, wasn't it?
That was technically our most popular video.
Yeah, it is our most popular video by far. And to be very honest, if we it the comedian's idea was all inspired by Jord Indian, and
Yeah.
Srivats and Pratham initiated it, and they talked to me about this, and then we assembled a group of people who we found relevant and interesting and who are good at acting, and then the group kept on expanding. And what I really think is that the idea was quite well, and the execution was on point too. I mean, the editing
Yeah, but
skills were good. Rishabh,
you know,
credits to you.
bro,
And
let's
Arjun,
go.
even with the camera quality, and I mean, each and every video became better and better. What do you guys think?
Yeah, there are definitely improvements. I think the
Yeah,
third video is the best. I spent the most time
same.
on the third video. Yeah, so I think every video was better and better. I'm pretty sure. Yeah,
It progressively became better as we
but
gained more
because
experience from it. Yeah.
there was पता है fourth video था ना, but record किए थे.
Yeah, talking about the fourth video, Rishabh, for
Oh,
bringing that up. There are certain clips and scenes back that time pe that we did not post it on YouTube, and it is on my drive right now. So we might actually post it on Comedians
No
because
chance. मैं उतना
okay,
नहीं करने
Rishabh,
वाला.
Rishabh. Okay, let's not get our hopes high with more entertainment, but yeah, there is a slight possibility of that we pulling that up. And what do you think about a next shoot? I mean, what
अभी
if
तो
we?
now it's really hard. अभी
What do
तो
you
very
say?
difficult right now. Very difficult.
Yeah, of course, due to COVID,
वो
Yeah,
नई
and
वीडियो
we
काफी
are going to 11th as well, so you won't find any
नए
free
नए
time.
स्कूल में उन लोग का स्कूल अभी तक
yeah,
स्टार्ट भी हो गया. उन लोग का स्कूल चल रहा है. एक
Yeah,
महीने से
yeah,
स्कूल
yeah,
चल रहा है.
yeah,
yeah, Yeah, desynchronized timetables, everything.
मेरा तो एक
Be
और
a
वीडियो
mess
से cool
to
है.
organize it. Yeah, and then on
That's
top of
great.
it, COVID, and it's quite
Yeah.
uncertain.
Talking about COVID, I remember in 2020 ka end after exams, Pratham, Shivach and I had planned of initiating another commentary video regarding medicines and doctor wala. But due to, of course, well, the social gathering was basically banned in India, so
Yeah.
we weren't able to do it. And an online video that time pe we did not know how to use Google Meet. It was something
Yeah.
new to us, so we just did not go on with it.
Google Meet would not be that good also. तो थोड़ा
Uh,
तो अच्छा नहीं
Yeah,
लगता,
the
मजा नहीं
quality is not
आता.
even good at all.
मजा नहीं होता
Agreed.
देखने में, और तब बनाने में भी उतना
हाँ
मजा नहीं
हाँ
आता.
बता. हाँ.
तो वो करना अच्छा हम लोगों से नहीं किया.
So, do you think there were any haters back then? I mean, that time pe,
Bro,
because I
हम लोग
mean,
फर्स्ट वीडियो में
I mean,
कितने कमेंट्स थे.
yeah, there were comments. Did we delete? I think we deleted two or three
We
too
delete
because
comments.
yeah, imagine. So basically,
we
we
don't
got
want no
12.
haters.
Yeah, we got 12 to 15 comments, and उसमें से भी we deleted two or three.
हम
Great.
Yeah.
we did like
And most
तुम
of
लोग
our
शायद वो किए थे ना,
haters were just
तुम लोग
people
इंट्रोडक्शन ही
memeing
कुछ किए थे
around.
एंड ऑफ द वीडियो, तुम लोग
Yeah.
सब एक साथ बैठे थे, निकले थे एक्सप्लेनिंग कौन कौन है.
Uh,
That's
okay.
convinced.
Like the listeners, even we know that Rishabh loves to interrupt Arjun and I, so it's quite evident right now. Rishabh,
Yeah, I like.
great.
I'm not gonna speak now. Let's go.
So, Arjun, according to you, what do you think that led comedians down? Like, why didn't we progress with more videos back that time only? Uh, regardless of the fact that there was
Think and
COVID.
speak, you know, सांस ले ले.
Well, Rishabh, I
you're,
hate you.
you're
I
funny,
hate you,
Rishabh. You're
Rishabh.
funny. You're funny.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, there were too many people in comedians to start with. It was like 10, 15 people. It was too much to include everyone, give them roles. It was just a big mess. And on top of that, finding a location to shoot, asking
Right,
their
right.
parents for permission.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was
Yikes.
kind of.
Ah,
And
I don't want to go through that again. Yeah.
devoting so much time
Horrible.
also. And plus, man, like, we need to, each and every person they need to agree to one particular date. And
Yeah,
that's what
yeah,
was quite
that's like the
difficult.
biggest. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
फिर
And
कभी कभी लोग को बैकआउट करना पड़ता था.
right. And then we have to change the entire scene,
Yeah.
apparently.
वो सब बहुत था. That was like the one of the main reasons I think. और फिर उतने लोग फिर end
Yeah.
up like उतना motivate भी नहीं थे, because said
Yeah, they were like,
only
fine,
few
we
people
did it.
motivated.
Now,
उतना तो sir make another video.
Rishabh is interrupting again as expected. Talking about interruption, um, what was the reason, Rishabh, we did not include the deleted videos? Because I remember
अब यार
that was a scene.
उसमें तो
You
कुछ
again
scenes हम
interrupt.
लोग कुछ तो question पूछा है ना.
No, let me finish because I remember उसमें out of all the videos उसमें मैंने सबसे ज़्यादा मेहनत की थी. We went out to Thakur village and we were roaming to do the scenes in front of people who were looking at us. And you know, I looked at them recently. The quality of the video quality is so good. The audio is good regardless of traffic. So what was the reason we did not include it?
Because there were some missing scenes. Missing scenes कुछ आए हैं नहीं, जो story काम ही नहीं करता. तो स्टोरी का
I
पंच लाइन नहीं
see.
है तो कैसे काम करेगा.
Agreed, agreed.
तो वही तो था. That was a big thing.
Yeah,
That was the main reason.
yeah. You're right.
Imagine there was like a 7th 8th video right now, अगर हम लोग 4th video publish करते हैं.
Arjun, any specific memorable memory when you went for comedians ka shooting? Oh, you know what? Actually, you should talk about the Ola one.
कौन सा वाला है?
uh,
Arjun, yeah, go ahead, go on.
fine. So, after shooting the second video, I believe,
Right,
me, Rishant, Mannat,
Nishan
Nishan,
and Manasvi.
and Manasvi um, took a taxi from Radhika's house where we shot the video, and basically it went from there to Rishant's house, and on the way he'll drop each of us on the way. So so we were 6 of us, I guess, 5 of us, I think.
Yeah,
Yeah. So the taxi guy was like, wait, no, you can't give so many people over here. But we were literally like forcing him to please take us, take us, take us. He was like, fine.
Let's not say forcing, we were requesting.
Yeah, I mean, yeah,
ऑर्डर थोड़ा ना करेगा
Yeah.
यार, ले ले यार,
that won't look
ऑप्शन नहीं
good.
है
Okay,
यार.
actually, that will not sound good. That will not
So
sound good. Okay,
initially
so fine.
he was quite rude. I booked the taxi, Ola taxi, and he was quite rude to me on call. And don't get me wrong, we were 13 back then, and we didn't travel utna zyada from Thakur village to Goregaon, especially me. And we were going that time pe, and what we told ki Manasvi and Nishan, they lived in Thakur village only, so zyada distance bhi nahi tha. So we just requested him to drop us, to drop them in Thakur village. Arjun, go on.
Yeah, so we dropped Manasvi and then later we dropped Nishan. So slowly the guy was getting more infuriated. He was
Yeah.
calling like, why? मतलब literally he called कि क्यों लेके
बात
जा रहे हो
से.
मुझे? I won't use the word here,
Okay, cool. Note.
but he referred to himself as a he just
अरे
insulted himself in a way which we didn't understand.
Yeah. And
And then
insulted us too
and then
multiple times.
he insulted us too, and we were 13, so we were like, huh, what's going on?
Yeah,
We
that's
didn't know a
actually
lot.
true, but
Yeah.
that's quite accurate of how it was, Rishabh. Literally, it was quite accurate because we couldn't process what the Ola driver was thinking about us. And we were quite
Yeah, and
scared
he was
also.
also even confused
प्रॉपर
that he
यार
couldn't go
किडनैप
all
नहीं कर
out
दिया
on
ना.
us. We were just a bunch of kids.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
एंड
he was
में
also
क्या,
confused a bit.
एंड में ड्रॉप ऑफ कर दिया था ना.
Yeah,
Yeah, he
okay,
dropped us
let,
off,
let,
but
let, let him continue. Na. Initially, so when he dropped Nishan's mom was there and she like looked at the driver and she knew that something was off over there. And then later on, Nishan's mom texted my mom, but I'll go on with that later on. So then, Arjun, the driver dropped you from there.
yeah, he dropped me. He again used like,
Slang
profanity.
languages. He
Yeah,
used slang
slang
language too.
languages. Yeah, slang languages, slang words. While I was getting out, and I
Yeah,
got quite angry, so I just slammed the door shut, and then
yeah.
I don't know what happened
Slam the door.
afterwards.
Bro, so the
Yeah,
worst part,
yeah,
I'll explain you what happened, Rishabh. So basically, that time pe, you know, Arjun is a patient guy. Like everyone knows that he's
Yeah.
calm, composed, and he does not go off the road anytime pe until and unless it's very zyada
Yeah.
supreme. The situation is very bad, and trust me, it was very bad that time pe. But what his reaction was, it was kind of immature because he should have realized that it was like the driver had to drop Mannat and I too. Okay, and he was hot-headed. Chotu tha, he was shorter than me, even when I was
yeah.
13. Okay, but he was thick. Okay, he was very thick, and I kind of got thick.
Very important. Yeah, very
क्या
important
से-
adjective. I was
Very
thick. That's
important.
so
Yeah.
crucial
Okay.
to the story.
Crucial यार.
Yeah.
हाँ. You
Yeah.
paint a
I know,
picture
right?
यार.
Yeah. So that particular thing was there, and I got very scared because that guy was howling a lot on Arjun,
But
and
उसको
Arjun also
पैसा मिल रहा है ना. Why was he angry?
because the thing is he was saying कि we are पहले तो I called him 2-3 times because रात थे
हाँ.
and I was kind of scared because Thakur village में थे dogs are go on and there were many people and we had to go home so and he was late मतलब there was 5 minutes में बोले थे taxi आएगी and it came after 17 minutes I remember the time so that is why I called him and he got infuriated because of that and then of course चल agreed Ola का capacity is 4 people right Huh? And he allowed 5 people inside initially, and then he started howling on us. Ki why are there 5 people when everyone has did sit inside?
तो वो थोड़ा उसका fault हुआ. Yeah. तो तुम लोग.
It was his
Yeah.
fault, but we were too naive back then that we didn't even know
Yeah,
how to respond to him.
Yeah. Got
he
it.
could have. If I was him, I would have basically
Requested
like
him
हाँ,
just
तो
do
asked.
it.
दो
Yeah,
बंदा
I would have
दो
like
बंदा
talked to
अलग से
like
चला
someone
गया.
like I would have talked to someone responsible, like Nishan's mom, who we found, tell her that there are too many people here. There's a
Yeah.
problem, and not just like insult us or just force us or just
अरे तुम लोग ये
use
बच्चे हो,
slang
थोड़ा भी
language
बच्चे
because
हो.
we were like 13. Yeah, we were 13. If it happened
Yeah.
again today, it won't be a problem. We are
It
now
won't be,
quite
yeah,
mature compared to that time. Yeah,
right. Because we've
yeah,
experienced something like that. And to be very
yeah,
honest, it was kind of traumatizing seeing an unknown stranger be so rude to
Hostile.
me and Mannat. After Arjun left, he was even more upset because he was basically banging, he was driving very rash. Okay, I was sitting Aage, like right besides him. That
Hmm.
was even more scary. I told Mannat to text. Mannat and I were texting on phone, and I think I told her to text someone. I don't remember quite exactly who. And the other Oberoi Mall के traffic light पे he was the traffic था तो, and he was quite angry with us. But then I kind of took the like I unlike Arjun, I didn't act immature and I kind of cooled him down. Okay, now I gotta say
Yeah.
that, bro. Okay, you messed up. That's the reason he was so angry
Yeah.
because unlike
We weren't
Pele,
in our senses.
yeah, you
That's
weren't
all
in
I
your
have to say.
senses, and actually, let's be honest, even I wasn't.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
I wasn't like unlike Arjun again. I'm saying ki I wasn't fighting with him, arguing with him. I just listened to him, whatever he was saying, and I just requested him. He just give us a bad review, like as we can give the
Usa
cab
review.
wala a review, even he can give his passengers
Yeah,
review.
yeah.
So what I just requested him was just drop Mannat because it was quite night and we didn't
Yeah,
want we had see agreed we had the option of getting down in Omkar, but then the thing is udhar kitni der khade rahe because if I'm not mistaken it was 8:15 p.m.
yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah, and for
that
those
time,
wondering, Omka is like a couple of kilometers away from where Mannat and Rishant live. It's
yeah,
a
but
bit
the
far
thing
away,
is
so
वो हाईवे पे है, ओमकार का
Yeah.
बिल्डिंग हाईवे पे है। अब
yeah,
उधर
yeah, yeah.
कैसे,
It's difficult to get a taxi.
yeah, so we
हाँ
had
उधर बहुत
to
मुश्किल है हाँ
bear with this guy. And then he finally did drop Mannat. He dropped me. And then when I was getting out, he told, अभी 5 लोग थे ना, अब extra पैसे दो. What now? No, Rishabh, तू बता. He howled a lot. I was traumatized. What do you expect me to do in that situation?
तो अभी तो yeah I don't know what I would do actually man कितना मांगा था
Because like,
what
yeah, what I think it so basically the fare was 180,
yeah
and I gave him extra 100 rupees by the way. And I just wanted to get out of the taxi. I
yeah, yeah
wanted to
actually
go
yeah I
home.
would have done the I think I would have
Yeah,
just wanted to make it over yeah sorry
Yeah, I mean
right,
that's a
right.
smart decision. You diffuse the situation
Yeah,
immediately.
and I just
डिफ्यूज कर
basically he
दिया
dropped me gate के मतलब
Yeah.
बाहर, and I उसको ना actually gate के अंदर लेके जाना चाहिए था, and then I should have told my watchman how he treated me. That would have been fun. Okay. So anyways, he dropped me gate के उधर, and he was quite smart. उसने बोला gate के अंदर नहीं लेके जाऊंगा मैं. So he was kind of cunning in that way. So he dropped me, and I literally ran my way home, and I told my mom what happened, and I was kind of crying too. And even my Mannat's mom called my mom, and even Nishan's mom called, and we explained them what the situation was. Um, then what exactly happened was that my dad contacted Ola and told them that how unsafe the children felt, and apparently they gave me the next 3 rides for free, and they refunded my
असली में
280 rupees. Yeah,
असली में
seriously, they
असली में
gave
what
me because yeah, because this could become much worse now. And what we wanted was that guy to fire because that's
yeah
not how you treat children.
yeah that
Okay,
तो past adult होते थे ना yeah that would be normal but
yeah,
then it's
but
under 15
yeah,
under 16
agreed. Or
Yeah.
so we gave
sweet
him a
box नहीं
bad
करना
review. Yeah, we gave him a bad review. We contacted Ola and they gave me three free trips. So we used that and all
that's
that.
crazy
So it was a crazy day. What do you think, Arjun?
Yeah, that also traumatized me, and I still to this day don't use Ola. I have not used Ola for like a couple of years
Seriously?
now.
असली में
Yeah, sometimes,
क्या ओला
sometimes, okay,
Damn.
I'm not
Yeah,
confirming, but I may just book rides and just cancel them on
shit.
purpose just
bro
to
that's
troll with
crazy
Ola. I'm so pissed off, man.
Yeah.
If that guy
तो
comes
उबर यूज
again,
करते हैं क्या
I will
Like,
just show him a
what will
lesson.
you,
I will teach him a lesson.
what
Not
do you mean?
physically, not physically, but like
कैंसिल कर देगा
orally. Orally, I'll teach him a lesson, not physically.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
I'm not gonna go to jail. Okay.
Gandhi ji ke bhakt hai hum idhar. Nice, we don't. I
Yeah, let's
understand.
go.
Yeah. All of us, we just
Yeah,
hate physical violence,
no
guys.
violence, no
We
exactly
all
violence.
all
three
of
of
us
us
huh all of us
absolutely, yeah.
huh
All of us
Yeah,
absolutely
yeah.
hate it.
exactly every single one
Yeah. So, Rishabh, do you have any wild incident like this? What happened to you?
अरे मेरा तो मैं तो उस दिन था भी नहीं I had to go for my class or something
Yeah,
मैं
I
डेंटल में
remember.
जा रहा
And
था
apparently, your job was being the editor.
तो मैं उतना नीडेड भी नहीं था वो अलग बात है
Yeah. And after that situation, I remember कि I just went to school also with my mom. Like, I didn't use rickshaw or Ola for an entire year before my mom explained me that I should ignore. Like Arjun, even I'm saying this to you right now. Just one bad incident doesn't mean कि all of them will be like that guy, right?
true
Yeah, yeah, but
still
but
अभी
still. I won't feel confident riding in a no
Agreed,
license,
No,
but
Ola,
riding
agreed,
in a
Ola is
agreed.
Uber
not the
now.
only one. No, Uber भी है, so that doesn't matter.
Uber bhi hai, but
Right.
see
Yeah,
the thing.
exactly.
Hmm.
उतना नहीं
What
है.
he's trying to say is कि Ola driver was an Indian man who is a taxi driver, right? That Indian taxi driver can also be that of Uber or Meru or any other app. So
Yeah,
that's what
that's
he
true.
thinks. Yeah.
That's true.
So talking about comedians, what was the second big thing we did? Well, so
Comedians,
all three of us, all yeah, what are you saying?
comedians का तो the second और तो and third video was the best ना. Third video में हम लोग कितना ultimate
Third,
team खेलते हैं.
100%. It was on
Yeah, I
Holi
was doing holy.
and it was again in Srivatska building. What's the name of the building, Rishabh?
I think the trillion.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it was in
Gundecha
Gundecha
Trillium.
Trillium and quite great place, lots of place to shoot and angles were amazing, audio was great, everything was on point, and the video was also not that long. The one drawback I found about the second video was that it was very long, and I've noticed that videos like that, like they need
Yeah.
to be of like
Ah,
they need
yeah,
to be of a
definitely, yeah,
shorter amount.
definitely.
Like we don't want it to be monetized, we did it for entertainment. There is a reason why David Dobrik ke vlogs are so famous
I
right now,
hate
and although
Dobrik
I
so
know.
much.
And
Yeah,
Rishabh's
but yeah.
confessed it to us that everyone, many people hate David Dobrik for the person he is and for the things he's done,
Yeah, but his
but his
content is very
content
good. His
is
content
so
is very good.
fabulous, right?
Yeah, his
I mean,
vlogs are like the best vlogs on YouTube.
yeah, and I am a Logan fan, but I got to admit, I have to agree that David Dobrik vlogs are unmatched. Well, speaking about content and comedians, of course, the second big thing that I remember we did was build a clan named Intruders.
Intruders
And
was that was a I don't know how to say. It was a success, bro. It was a
Experience of
success.
itself.
it
It,
is still a thing. It is
Yeah,
still a thing.
technique.
yeah,
Don't
yeah,
Bro,
get
but
me wrong.
it gives me a special username in every game. So that's a good thing.
Yeah, I mean,
I have to think of a username.
Nishan came up with the name Intruders. Saurav was the one who initiated it. He told again, इसमें also I don't know what's with these people. They tell me to tell others. मतलब खुद नहीं बोल सकते.
अरे
He talked to
लाउडस्पीकर
me
कर
about
लाउडस्पीकर
Intruders,
because
and we were
Nishant has more Instagram followers. That's
okay.
why.
Like, guys,
ये सर
guys,
लाउडस्पीकर ब्रो लाउडस्पीकर इसको बोलो
you
सब कुछ
know,
मिल
you know
जाता
what's the funny part? You know what's the funny part, Rishabh? In
क्या
sixth grade, when you won there, everyone used to call me loudspeaker in CNS, right? Remember, Arjun?
Yeah,
We
yeah,
got
yes,
those.
yes,
We
yes.
got those nicknames. We got those nicknames, and people called me loudspeaker.
तो मैचेस ना स्टिल मैचेस
Yeah, it still matches, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's
I don't
still.
have that sharpy, high-pitched, very annoying voice. Okay, I don't have that anymore, and I'm patient. Comparatively, seventh and eighth. Just saying. I'm just saying, guys. Okay, you gotta admit, agree with me over here, please. Thank you.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah,
You
thank
have
you, Arjun.
improved over time. I can
Yeah,
proudly say that.
and that's not sarcastic, is it?
No, no, it's not
totally not
sarcastic.
totally not no definitely not
Okay.
sarcastic.
Getting on Intruders, Rishabh, would you like to tell what it was and why it was there, like
It was like a
gaming?
clan ना it was a gaming clan like
Uh,
yeah
so
so
like Phase, it was a gaming
it
clan.
was big yeah next phase intruders coming on
Next phase.
Okay. It
phase
it
अच्छा
is
था
it
यार
was it was a school. Okay, Rishabh, let's not get that here, please. It was a school clan, and it was a good concept. I'll not say it was a
it
bad
was a
concept.
good content yeah
Something new, and we decided starting so only ki we are going to introduce like we are going to include people who are from school only, not those who are very good at gaming or something.
like a
So
community type
it
of
it is still a clan, don't get us wrong, although we don't post content, but uh, personally all of us
it's
we
like a
still
friend
belong
group
there.
it's like a different friend group
Yeah,
intruders
it is a
Yeah,
friend group, and and all three of us are a part of it, and it's just on gaming. But what game? So initially, Intruders was created back when Fortnite was in its prime. So chapter one, probably season 8, and all of us
yeah
played it every freaking day. And we just thought ki getting, and there were clan wars that
yeah
time. Pe. So
that
we
time the clan was
yeah, so it was intruders versus other clans or other people because grade 9 matlab, that are grade 10 right
oh,
now.
there were like
So
lots
then
of discord
right,
groups with other clans
yeah,
and all
and we also had 2 3 clan wars if I'm not
yeah
mistaken, and we won.
I
That's
don't
the
remember
best
but
part.
hopefully
Yeah, it was on our map, the free for FFA map.
oh okay
Yeah,
Like
let's just
creators are
not get into
creating.
Fortnite because we know everyone doesn't like it and it will get boring. So getting into that, it was a great concept as I'll repeat
अभी भी
it,
है ना अभी
and
भी है. We can't
it
create
is.
past tense.
But Arjun, what do you think we should do? Like, for example, what do you from here? What should we do with intruders?
We can either keep it as a
What are you
like a
thinking?
friend group where only friends can be in it, or we could choose to expand it, which would be very difficult and would require a lot of resources.
Yeah, and
So I
of
would
course,
personally
investment
just
also.
yeah. So I
Investment
would just
also.
personally maintain it. I'll just keep it as a friend group because
Right.
it's not worth
There's
it to just expand it and create a
yeah.
proper
And we
organization.
don't. None of us want to become gamers.
Yeah, and you're not even that good at it in
Yeah,
anything.
because
So
Yeah,
yeah,
I'm
it's
the
simple.
best.
We don't
क्या
invest
बोलूं?
उतना ज़्यादा time into it. So we aren't
बहुत
that
टाइम
great
लगता
in gamers, but
है
it's for fun.
expand करने
Yeah.
में.
Right.
Each time we tried, ना, we had like tryouts and everything. That was so exhausting.
yeah, we
Yeah.
actually even had a few foreign players in our clan.
Yeah,
He was.
like
I remember his
Yeah,
name. It was Rebel Zotic,
एक
and
और
he was
था.
Indonesian. He was
yeah, yeah,
Indonesian, and he
yeah,
fought with Rishit all the time.
Yeah, yeah,
yeah, yeah.
that was
yeah.
pretty good.
Uh,
yeah.
That pretty good. But yeah, वहाँ पे कोई montage नहीं रहता ना कोई.
yeah, we did
No, we
make
made one
montages
montage.
too.
We
We
made
made.
one
Yeah,
montage. I'm pretty sure.
Nishan made a montage. We हम
Actually,
तीन के
yeah,
clip थे.
montage डालते हैं ना Insta पे तो है अभी भी है.
It is still on
Oh,
Insta.
YouTube
Yeah.
में भी है. YouTube में भी है. Introduce
YouTube
channel
पे
में भी
तो
है
पर
video.
हाँ Insta पे ही तो views मिल रहा था ना.
Yeah. Right.
Insta पे.
It had like thousands of views, right?
Yeah,
In
it had like
Insta, I'm
It
pretty
did.
sure,
It
or
did. It did.
something.
Because thanks to our hashtags, guys, we
Yeah,
just
bro,
expose
hashtags and Insta is
ourselves.
actual hashtags and Insta is
Nishan
actual.
Bell exposes intruders. Hashtags. That's it. That's
इनको
just it.
कितना he got like 30K views because of hashtags on a
Oh yeah,
Fortnite clip.
I
30K.
remember.
My
I
God,
remember. I
my
remember.
God.
Literally एक दिन में तेरे को हर एक घंटे में तो डबल होता था views.
Yeah, it was
Yeah, yeah,
mental.
yeah.
I
It was
really didn't know
bizarre,
that
literally.
Instagram ka algorithm works like that. But it is sick, of
Yeah,
course.
तेरे को
But it just proves ki now how people from our grade or our school get 2 million and 1 million views on their reels. Cuff cuff, no names. I'm just saying. I'm just saying, guys.
no names, yeah, no
No
names. Of
hate.
course.
Just saying.
Yeah, we don't hate anybody.
Arjun doesn't. I do.
Yes, at
Let's
least.
not get
Okay.
into that. Let's just
Yeah,
not
yeah,
get into
yeah,
that.
yeah, yeah,
Let's
yeah.
let's
That,
talk
that,
about
that,
I
that's
something.
do, I
that's
do.
another topic.
Yeah. I
And
really hate
yeah,
some
we not
people.
know.
Yeah. Cool. I mean,
Yeah, I
a
only
lot
do.
we talked about a lot, isn't it?
Yeah, actually,
Yeah,
yeah.
actually,
Time just passed by like
I just
that. So
noticed.
damn. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, actually, तो कितना टाइम हो गया? काफी टाइम हो गया.
Actually, I think I think like these type of videos only we make it would suit our content. And of course, don't get us wrong, we are going to do interviews too and talk about,
Hopefully.
as Arjun mentioned, and yeah, hopefully. And we are planning on doing this we'll post every Friday, and some or other guy, and we're going to do interviews, and 15 to 25, or probably the time we haven't decided yet. It depends on who the
It
guest will be,
depends
but
on
for there,
yeah.
yeah, there will
Yeah,
surely be a guest. And let's see
Let's see how
whether you
let's
guys
see how
like
this
it or not.
goes.
And also, do follow our Instagram page, because that's where, yeah, we got to do the plugins, Rishabh. We got to do the
plug
plugins,
in
mate.
time.
Yeah,
Let's go.
do follow our Instagram page.
Instagram, Twitter,
Yeah, I
Facebook,
just made it. I'm going to.
LinkedIn,
Yeah, yeah.
Pinterest,
Rishabh, you gotta interrupt me all the time, isn't it?
YouTube. Okay.
Yeah, and I'll just tell us that what
TikTok.
topics we should cover, and this is going to be uploaded on YouTube. So on in the comment section, you can also say ki, what you disliked of Kaf Rishabh's interruption
Oh,
to me and Arjun. Yeah, so do that. Make sure to review basically, and I mean
अपनी
that's
तरफ से
pretty
जो.
much it for one episode one,
Yeah,
isn't
yeah,
it?
full episode
Yeah,
one.
exactly.
Yeah. This was sick. This was one good idea I've come up with this year with. Okay,
This
and I hope this goes on.
hopefully कितना
Yeah, hopefully this goes on, and it's
for
once a
some time.
week.
For
So
some time.
for
This should.
some time, because
Yeah.
yeah, go on, Rishabh. You
It
can say
will.
now.
It might not go for long, but थोड़ा टाइम के लिए चलना चाहिए.
Definitely. So yeah, guys, thanks for listening, watching, subscribing, liking, commenting.
Guys, follow us
And
on
we'll
Twitter, Instagram, Facebook,
Reddit
Yeah, I
भी
don't
बोलते
think
हैं,
I would
Reddit
be
भी
TikTok,
बोलते हैं.
Twitter.
Yeah,
Pinterest,
yeah.
LinkedIn,
Guys might like my Tinder
Yeah,
profile too,
Uber.
guys.
Guys, as
Yeah,
in also
yeah.
certified
Follow on
Uber
every
driver.
social.
yeah. Okay. See you guys next Friday then. Bye.